Delhi to Washington DC flight has been held back in Vienna. This is Air India, Delhi to Washington DC. AI 103 made a planned fuel stop in Vienna. This was scheduled. 2nd July, AI 103 makes a planned fuel stop in Vienna. It's an extended maintenance task that was identified during a routine check. Vienna to Washington DC is the leg of AI 103, but it was cancelled due to extended maintenance. Air India has put out a statement. I'll quickly quote it. Extended maintenance task has been identified in the backdrop of the aircraft crash that happened in Ahmedabad. Remember, every little step is being scrutinized. There are no chances being taken at all. Amit Bhardwaj joins you for the latest on that. Amit, what are you hearing about this specific extended maintenance? What does it mean? When will the aircraft take off?
Oh, well, Pooja, this was Delhi to Washington DC flight AI 103, which landed in Vienna because that's how the flight route is, Delhi to Vienna to Washington DC. However, when the refueling of the aircraft was being done, as per the standard protocol, that is the check of craft is done at the airport where the refueling happens. That's when the need for an extended maintenance was, found out in this particular flight, after which the passengers were disembarked. And because of the extra time that was required for carrying out that particular maintenance, the last leg of the flight, that is Vienna to Washington DC, that was cancelled. That could not happen. Now, Air India is confirming us that those who had the valid visa permissions or Schengen visa, they have been given accommodations in Vienna itself, while other passengers who do not have the entry permissions in Austria right now, the authorities are being roped in, and required permissions are being taken in order to accommodate them in the hotels. In the meantime, AI 104, that is Washington DC to Delhi flight, that has been cancelled as well in consequence to this particular craft not being able to take off from Vienna to Washington DC. Now, what is happening in the other case is that either full refund is being given to the passengers or their flights are being rescheduled as per the requirements of those passengers. But it is important to note, those who had valid visa permissions, they have been accommodated with the hotels, while others await permission from the Austrian
But this also
authorities
then means there could be a slight disruption with the schedules of the passengers as well. Nevertheless, of course,